Sling TV is marketed as the best budget option for live TV streaming, and it delivers on price. It offers customizable channel packages so you only pay for what you watch, plus a strong sports lineup with ESPN, NFL Network, and NBA coverage. Subscribers also get over 120,000 on-demand titles and 50 hours of DVR storage with the option to upgrade to unlimited. Sling Free Stream adds thousands of free shows, of course, and movies without requiring a credit card. The downsides are clear. Local channels like ABC, CBS, and NBC are limited, and the DVR cap can be restrictive. And the interface isn't as polished as Hulu Live or YouTube TV. Overall, Sling TV is a legitimate budget friendly choice for cord cutters who prioritize sports and cable favorites. But it may not fully replace traditional cable for those who need every local channel.